You spend without realizing it. Most people think they're broke because they don't make enough money. But the truth is, they're repeating the same money mistakes every single day. This is the most common mistake, and the most dangerous one. You don't go broke because of one big decision. You go broke because of hundreds of small ones. Daily coffee, food delivery, random online purchases, subscriptions you forgot about. Individually, they feel small. But together, they slowly drain your financial progress. That's why most people say, "I don't know where my money goes." Because they're not paying attention. The problem isn't your income. It's unconscious spending. Until you see it, you can't fix it. You rely on credit to live. Credit cards aren't the problem. Depending on them is. When you start using credit for everyday life, food, bills, basic needs, you're not just spending money. You're borrowing from your future. And with high interest rates, you end up paying far more than the original cost. This creates a loop. You spend right pointing arrow, you owe right pointing arrow, you pay interest right pointing arrow, you fall behind. And suddenly, your income isn't building your future. It's paying for your past. You don't understand how money works. This is the silent issue most people ignore. If you don't understand how money works, you'll always feel behind, even if you earn more. Things like interest, debt, investing, inflation, these aren't optional. They decide whether you move forward or stay stuck. Without this knowledge, every decision becomes a guess. And guessing with money is expensive. You don't have an emergency fund. This is where everything breaks. One unexpected expense, car repair, medical bill, job loss. And suddenly, you're in trouble. Without savings, you're forced into bad decisions. Taking debt, selling investments, stress spending. An emergency fund isn't about growth. It's about survival. And without survival, you can't build anything. You only save, you don't invest. Saving feels safe, but it doesn't move you forward. If your money sits still, it slowly loses value over time. That's why saving alone isn't enough. At some point, your money needs to grow. And that only happens through investing. You don't need to take huge risks. You just need to start. You think short term. This is the hardest habit to break. Most people think in days or weeks. Paycheck to paycheck. Immediate needs. Immediate rewards. But real progress doesn't happen that way. It happens slowly. Over months. Over years. When you start thinking long term, everything changes. You spend differently. You save differently. You invest differently. Because now you're not reacting. You're building. Closing. These mistakes don't feel dangerous. That's why they keep repeating. But over time, they shape your entire financial life. The good news? You don't need more money to fix this. You need awareness. And once you see the pattern, you can finally break it.